You need to hear this if you're a beginner in investing. Welcome back. Today, I'm here to make investing in stocks as easy as a Sunday morning. If you've been sitting on the sidelines dreaming about making those smart investments, it's time to jump right in. Let's dive into the world of stocks and make it fun and exciting. First things first, what is a stock? Think of a stock as a tiny piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a share of that company. So if the company does well, your investment grows. Sounds good, right? But hey, don't just throw your money at any random company. Do your homework. Research is key. Look at the company's history, its earnings, and its future prospects. Check out their products, their competitors, and the market they're in. Now, let's talk about some starter steps. Step 1, open a brokerage account. This is like your gateway to the stock market. There are plenty of online brokers out there. Think Robinhood, E-Trade, Fidelity. They're user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Step 2, decide how much you're willing to invest. Remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Start small, build your confidence, and learn as you go. Step 3, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different industries. This reduces risk and increases your chances of picking a winner. Now, let's spice things up with some tips. Tip number 1, think long-term. Stocks are generally a long-term game. Patience pays off. Tip number 2, stay informed. Follow market news, read financial reports, and stay updated on trends. Knowledge is power. Tip number 3, don't let emotions drive your decisions. The market goes up and down, and that's normal. Stick to your strategy and avoid panic selling. All right, let's wrap this up. Investing in stocks doesn't have to be intimidating. With a bit of research, a solid plan, and a sprinkle of patience, you can start building your own portfolio today. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, open that brokerage account, and start investing. The future is in your hands. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on investing. Until next time, happy investing.